Hello guys, welcome back to the Financial Insight. Apex AI trading Web3 trading token plan. You can see here the guys in 24 hour 31% growth, and you can see 24-hour activity 68% buyer and 32% seller. Each indication of for guys incoming hour is go uptrend, and you can buy here and gain more and more. And you can see volume also 11.5k and market cap 473k and fully diluted 473k. That means very good Web3 trading token coin that you can trade here. If you want to trading Web3 trading token coin and crypto, you can join BYT and register here. And after the registered, you will go 50 USD dollars. For my referral code 143791. I will give in description and you can download here. So thank you guys. Latest video information you can connect with Aditya Financial Insight. Hit the bell icon for latest update. Thank you.